Hey, it's Nick O'Brien. These are the wonders. I'm trying to get this helicopter to fit in my garage on Starfish Island. And if you haven't got that far, then you'll get there. Don't worry. This is the Sparrow right now. I think it's the best helicopter. I don't know about other people, but you know, my opinion. Sorry Nick couldn't join us. Sorry Nick, but he is in his house in a very awesome state that begins with N. Well, anyway, you know, just like Nick. Pretty awesome, you know. And Nick, try and guess. And post it on the comments. Well, anyway. Oh yeah, and if you get it right, then I'll make a special video about it. But anyway. Okay. Well, yeah, this is very, very, very hard. So, you know, if I... You know, it's sort of hard. And there you go. Yeah, I have officially got the helicopter into my garage. That's one of the awesome wonders that everybody was trying to, you know, see. Awesome. Helicopter, you know. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. That's the end of this one, so sorry, Nick, that you couldn't be here, and that's the end of this.